I am so excited for today's vlog. It's probably a little unhealthy. Got stung by a jellyfish. Looks like someone was murdered. This is gonna hurt, but right now I'm on a boat that's worth probably more than my whole life. So today, fam, posses, homies, I don't know what to call you because I've never named you before. I used to want to call you guys like Martians because be Mars, it's on Mars. So let me know in the comments below if you like that idea. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. Today in this vlog, we are going to discover the lost city of Atlantis. My Disney dreams are finally coming true. This is actually one of Ibiza's best kept secrets. Not many people know about it. It's on the north side of the island right next to Vedra, which is the most magnetic place in the world. Basically a giant rock formation that shoots straight out of the ocean, out of nowhere. It's amazing. And we're gonna do a little hike next to it. So this place was actually originally called Sa Pedredra, which I'm butchering, but it was kind of renamed in the 50s and 60s by hippies, and all of the rock formations are carved by hand. You can see faces and dragons and like just beautiful carved stones. And a lot of these carvings actually created natural pools, so we're gonna try to hang out one of those. I think it's a little bit of a hike, so we are preparing today. We got the gals in the kitchen making some snacks and some sandwiches, and I'm excited to show you guys everything. I'm bringing my drone and my GoPro, so fingers crossed that it's not too windy and the conditions aren't too crazy and I can take some amazing footage. Okay. We have made it to the top of our hike. Nothing is worth it in life unless you have to struggle for it a little bit, right? Is that the saying?
Nothing worth having comes easy.
Nothing worth having comes easy. There we go. We figured it out eventually. Work together, teamwork. And finding the top of this hike was not easy, but we are here. And let me just show you the top of this view. It's only going to get better and better. So I hope this lighting is good. Oh God, I can't see. If anybody wants to try to find this entrance, the name of it is Calle de Hort, so it's easier for anyone else to find it. Take a chance, will you let me ride? Way, oh, way, oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Just so you guys know, this is where we are heading. This definitely was an advanced hike. This is so amazing and worth the treacherous hike. Let me just show you. You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. All right, so we have been here probably about 5 minutes, and poor Julian got stung by a jellyfish. We saw
that one
out there. We wanted to get goggles before we left, but we have no means of transportation, so we weren't able to see in the water. It was a lot worse.
Oh my God!
It's going down.
It's going down, but it was like bubble wrap on my wrist. At this point, you'd probably think we'd give up, pack up, and go home. But that's not really our style. Shit, so Atlantis is not the safest place in the world. Mika was walking around and stubbed her toe. Pretty great. And Amy is makeshifting band-aids here. Looks like someone was murdered.
Yeah, mother. So,
It's okay, babe.
It's okay.
Okay, here we go. So put your foot back
yeah.
here.
I
This
feel
is
like
Do you want me to
gonna
put water on it?
This is gonna hurt, but you gotta do it.
Do we have band-aids?
How are we gonna get her back up?
Oh yeah, we
Mika
need
Kluft.
Okay, I know you guys are probably getting tired of me pausing this video, but things take a weird turn here, and I'm sorry if the footage gets a little choppy. But don't worry, I will explain. Alright, so we were at the top of Es Vedra, and right after Mikachu hurt her toe, we were a little bit worried about hiking back up the mountainside, and randomly this guy and a couple of girls on a boat, like a little tender boat, were like, hey, you want to come back to our big boat and have some champagne? And we said, why not? So now we're on a random boat. It's with somebody famous, so I can't show the boat, but the view is amazing.
Ooh.
When I said nice view, I meant of Es Vedra, but you know, the booty's nice too.
Yeah.
I'll just show you the amazing sunset we're about to see. Somehow we're making it back to shore, to real life.
We need to eat some food.
I need to eat. I need to tell you this goddamn story. It just doesn't seem real. I thought today was gonna be a simple adventure vlog, but no such thing here in Ibiza.
Took 10 left turns.
Yeah, so we had 2 major injuries. We were so worried about hiking back up the treacherous mountain, which you saw us come down.
It would have
I
been
recorded the whole thing. And as we were billy goat climbing the mountainside, I kid you not, like straight rock climbing, somebody asked us if we wanted to go back to their boat. And we were like, why not? Sure, totally. Ends up being a billionaire's boat with a great first aid kit.
Yeah,
Saved
took
both of our
money.
friends because we didn't bring any band-aids or alcohol or vinegar or any first aid kit. Literally, Mika ripped open her toe and she said, we need a boat, and then a boat came.
So you put that shit out there and it comes right back.
Remember that. Hope you guys liked this vlog, and if you did, make sure you give this video a big...
And I promise I'm not a tomato head.
No, if you like this video, make sure you let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Comment below if you've ever been to Ibiza, if you want to come here, or where your favorite vacation destination is. And if you like this face, make sure you hit subscribe so you can see you next Thursday. Okay, I promise you this is the last time I'm pausing this video because it's obviously done, but I just kind of wanted to put a little disclaimer onto the end of this. If you are a younger human, I am not condoning you to jump onto a boat or get into a car with a stranger. I am an adult, even though I know I look young, and I used my best judgment. My boss knew where all of us were at all times, and we followed our gut instinct. So if you're younger, don't get on a boat with strangers, okay? Love you guys.